It's pretty, man. This is nice. Oh. Okay, let's check what is in the box. Charging cable. This one is really long. Ooh. Dang. Ooh. This is pretty. So you need to have this. It's up to date. I used to have one of them, so yeah, that's fine. So yeah, that's it really. You have the noise cancellation. You can also have the awareness, and yeah, you can put it off and all the tips and all those things. So that's it really. The magnet actually is really good. As we can hear, the sound is really good. So yeah, I can't complain about it. The look, the color is really, I'll say it's pretty. No joke, it's really good. I like it. Type-C charger, like you can see, and also it's wireless charger. I think something like that is wireless charging. So yeah, you put on your phone, then you charge it really easily. And reverse charging on the back of your Huawei, which you charge P40. Any Huawei phone you have, or any phone you have that have reverse wireless charging, then you can do that as well. So yeah, that's it really. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, you know what to do. Thank you.